class. So today we are going to start a new chapter, that is bank reconciliation statement. This is our new chapter today, bank reconciliation statement. Okay, what we will learn in this chapter, actually business person is a very busy person. He maintained his record of bank transactions, but sometime at the end of a certain period, maybe at the end of the month or maybe at the end of the year, maybe there is a difficulty, there may be some difference between the passbook balance and cash book balance. You learn double column cash book. Double column cash book was prepared by business, by the accountant of organization. So in that double column cash book, bank record was maintained, that was prepared by company itself, and bank maintain our account record, our bank related transactions record in passbook. I hope this much everybody knows that bank issues passbook in which all the bank related transactions are recorded. Do you know everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So now at the end of a certain period, there may be some differences between cash book, whatever bank column we prepared, and passbook, whatever prepared by bank. There may be differences at the end. Suppose we did so many transactions with bank, and in our cash book, bank column, ध्यान से मेरे वर्डिंग्स बहुत क्लियरली सुनेंगे. कैश बुक बैंक कॉलम बैलेंस इज शोइंग 10,000 rupees, whereas passbook balance as per bank record, passbook balance is just showing 8,000 rupees. What is the difference? This is the difference of 2,000 rupees. What are the reasons behind it? So here in this statement, bank reconciliation statement, we will prepare a statement in which all the causes of differences will be recorded here, and we will try to find out the reasons and to finish off these reasons. Okay, let's see. So we will start numerical. That was the theory part, bank reconciliation statement. This is the only theory part, only introduction. Okay, I'll repeat again. How will you write? What is the meaning of bank reconciliation statement? It is the statement which is prepared to reconcile, the balance between bank column cash book and passbook. Okay, this is the statement which is prepared to reconcile the gap between cash book, bank column and passbook. That's all. Now we will learn some points on the basis. Today we are doing theory part, but in sense of numerical we will learn it. Okay, let's see how we will prepare. First of all, we will see the format. This is the headline, bank reconciliation statement, and here we will draw two columns, no debit credit, and here I write just serial number, particulars, or we can say reasons. Okay, reasons or items, anything we can write here. And this is amount column, but plus column, no debit, no credit, only plus items will be written here, and amount for minus items. These are the two columns we will prepare. Okay, amount, two columns we will prepare. First column for plus item, second column for minus item. Clear? Now we will find out the reasons, and these reasons may be asked in Viva. These reasons may be asked in a short question, in theoretical question, 3-4 marks. Okay, so let's analyze every reason. Start from first. Check issued or drawn but not presented for payment. Listen it carefully. Check issued but not presented for payment. Now listen carefully what happens. I am the business person. I will issue a check or I will draw a check. I will issue a check or draw a check. That means I am doing payment through check. I will draw a check, give it to someone. So from my side, it is check issued. Okay. So here I think this much is visible to you. Yeah. So this is rough work. I'll draw here rough work. Okay. This side I'll say cash book bank column, which we are preparing, organization is preparing, and this side is passbook, which is prepared by bank. This is the bank record, this is our record. Let's come to our point. First point is, here we have to just write simple sentence that check issued, but see first part and after but second part. In every sentence you will find it. First part is check issued. I issued a check, I paid through check, but not presented for payment. First part is clear. Check issued. I am the business person. I draw a check and I give this check to someone. I want to make payment through check, so I gave this check to A. Okay. Now, the second part says, but not presented for payment. What does it mean? A took that check, but he didn't deposit it in bank. He didn't encash that check in bank, from bank. So, as per my record, this is my record. Cash book is always my record. I'm the business person. So, as per my record, I already have deducted 2000 rupees. That was the check for 2000. It is imaginary amount. I issued 2000 rupees check. That means, as per my knowledge, my bank account, bank column must be reduced with, must be decreased with 2000 rupees. But in bank, nobody came to present the check. A has not encashed the check. So there is no transaction here. Okay, no transaction here. Before that, oh, space here. Just 1 minute, space थोड़ा सा लीजिए. First of all, we will write here balance as per cash book. As per my record, I'll write here. Okay, as per my record, I'll write here that my cash book shows balance of 10,000. Cash book bank column. Okay, always bank column we are discussing. Cash book by bank column. This is showing. This is prepared by me. This is by me. Cash book is showing 10,000 rupees balance in plus column. Plus balance is showing, no negative balance. Okay. So first item is check issued but not presented for payment. The case is, so we are discussing this case. What? As per my knowledge, because I issued check, I issued in my book, I will record minus 2000, that 2000 rupees has deducted from my account. But second half says not presented in bank for payment. So bank has no transaction regarding this 2000 rupees check. This side is nil. Now listen carefully how we will make it balance. Balance as per cash book. We started our solution with cash book. So let's come cash book. Whatever other person is doing, whatever other book is doing, accordingly we have to make changes in cash book. Cash book is written here, so we will make changes in cash book. Something will be plus, something will be minus. We will make changes in cash book. So what passbook is done? No transaction. Zero. I must say zero. And here we have to make it zero as per name. Reconcile करना है ना, gap fill up करना है. तो अगर उसने zero किया है तो we will make it zero. That means wrongly we make it minus 2000. है ना? Was issued but not presented. So that side in bank there is nil transaction. So we are preparing as per cash book. So whatever plus minus we will do here, it will be with the cash book. So we will make changes in cash book. We are going to make changes in cash book. Here we will make changes. We will not touch that. We will just follow the other side. Other side says 0. So we should make it 0. How will make it 0? If I'll say plus 2000, will it become 0 or not? It was minus 2000, but
yes, ma'am.
Make it 0.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we will make it 0. How is it possible to make it 0? Minus 2 ke against me, we will write plus 2000. It will become 0. Now gap fill up. Let's fill up the gap. Plus 2000. Not what we have to do. If we will write plus 2000, then gap will be filled. So in plus column, this is plus column. In plus column, I'll write 2000. Clear? Shall we go for next? Next is interest allowed or paid or collected or credited by bank, but not yet entered in cash flow. Okay. In simple language, I'll tell you. Interest collected. First of all, I'll write here interest collected by bank but not recorded in cash book. CD, cash book. Okay. So interest collected by bank. This first case is over. This is rougher. Interest collected. Sometime may happen that we have given loan to some company, some organization, and now they are giving us interest. Suppose we have purchased debentures, then those companies will give us interest, and this interest, as per our instructions, bank, these companies will give our interest, deposit our interest in our account directly. So interest collected. Bank, we have given responsibility to bank that bank on due time bank will collect the interest. So bank has collected interest, it has deposited in our bank column in our account, but we have no information regarding this. This side is 0. We have no information regarding this transaction. So this regarding this transaction, it is 0. Clear? Let's see. We are making changes in cash book. So how we'll make changes in cash book? On the basis of other side. Other side says whether it is right or wrong, no matter. Matter is what the other side is saying. Accordingly, we will follow it. Other side says plus 500. So let's make it plus 5. 0 में अगर हम कर देंगे plus 500. So answer will be plus 500. It will be reconciled. But for reconciliation, what we will do? Plus 500 we have to do. So in plus column, we will write 500. Clear? Now, another thing is, third is interest paid, but not recorded in cash book. Again, there is problem in cash book. See, third work we will do. Let's see. Interest paid, but not recorded in cash book. We don't know who paid interest, we or the bank. But here, not recorded in cash book. See, cash book mein recording nahi hai. That means bank has done something itself. For that, we have no information. Clear? So, bank, as per our instructions, bank has paid interest. We have taken some loan, and time to time on due date, bank automatically will pay interest. So, bank has paid interest. Bank has reduced our bank account with 800 rupees. Bank has paid interest, and we have no information regarding it. No recording regarding this transaction, no recording in cash book. This side is nil. Let's reconcile. We can make changes here or here. We can make changes in cash book. We are preparing as per cash book, so we can make changes in cash book on the basis of other side. Other side says minus 800. Let's make it minus 800. How we'll make minus 800? If 0 minus 800 is equals to, itna maths to sabko aata hai. If we will do this, then the result will become minus 800. Minus 8 minus 8, balance will be reconciled, isn't it? So let's go for minus column 800. Minus column 800. I hope this much is clear to everyone. Let's go for next.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Let's go for next. Fourth transaction. Now, fourth one says dividend collected by bank. This is interest. Along with this interest, I will consider dividend. Everybody knows what is dividend. If we have excess money, we means company. I am the company. We have excess money. We will purchase debentures of other company. Then other companies will give us interest. So our bank will collect interest from them. If we purchase shares of other company, then other companies will give us dividend. So bank will collect dividend. Along with interest, I have written here dividend. Okay. Now, next transaction is, there is some customer of our company. That means he is our debtor. We are company, he is our customer. That means he is our debtor. Now debtor will give us money. So what they did, they directly deposited money in our account. In our account, they deposited money. Clear? Directly. And we have no information regarding it. Regarding this, we have no information, no recording in cash. This is the real situation. First part is customer directly deposited into bank but not recorded in cash book. So first part says customer directly deposited into bank. Bank may plus, bank increased, amount deposited. But after but, we will see the second aspect of transaction, not recorded in cash book. This is 0. This is the real situation on the basis of this statement. Now let's reconcile. Here we have cash book. So on the basis of cash book, we will reconcile the gap. On the basis of cash book, we can make changes in cash book only. On the basis of other side. Other side says it should be plus 1000. So let's see how to make plus 1000, how we can make it plus 1000. Zero. If I do plus 1000, then the result will be this. Now gap is filled up, it is balanced. When it will become balanced, when I will do this. If I write plus 10,000, then the gap will be filled, isn't it? So plus 1000. This customer in transaction plus column 1000. I will write here. Okay. Let's go for next. This is cash book. This is passbook. This is your rough cut. Okay. Now let's see the next one. Next one is check paid into bank but omitted to enter in cash book. Check paid into bank. That means, see, Again, listen carefully. Check issued means we have paid through check. Check deposited means we have a check. We receive a check from someone. Now we will send it to bank to make it plus. Okay. Check issued means we have drawn a check given to someone. It was payment. We expect that from our account amount will reduce. But check deposited means we receive check from someone. Now for encashment purpose we will deposit in bank. Bank will increase our bank balance. Okay. So check deposited into bank. I don't have sufficient space. That is why I am writing in short. You will write completely. Check deposited into bank, but omitted to enter in cash book. Okay. We send the check in bank. Now see the situation here. Check deposited but omitted to. But ko chhod dete. First of all, check deposited. We have deposited check. So, and second part says omitted to enter in cash book. Cash book we forgot. Omit means forget. We forget to enter in cash book. But we sent it to bank. So bank has made it plus. Bank has made plus 200 rupees in our account. And we forgot to record in cash book. So we are making on the basis cash book. We will make changes in cash book on the basis of other side. Other side says it should be plus 200. So if we will do this effort, then the result will become equal. Balance reconciled, isn't it? So we will do plus column. This is plus column 200. One more aspect. Same transaction, one more aspect. See, the aspect says check deposited but not collected by bank. What? This statement says we have sent a check to be deposited in bank. So we expect that these 600 rupees will become plus, will be plus in our account. We expect this. Okay. But the second part says not collected by bank. Bank ने उसका collection अभी तक नहीं किया. Bank has not collected anything. Bank has not made any plus amount. Check is still on the way. It is not collected. So there is a gap. We expect that the check will be collected. So we have made addition in our bank column, cash book. But bank has not collected. Here, regarding this statement, transaction is 0. So let's make how to reconcile it. This is 0. We are making cash book. We will make changes in cash book on the basis of other side. Other side says it should be 0. Let's see how we can make it 0. This is plus 6. If I'll do minus 600, then it will become 0. If I'll do minus 600. Enough? So I'll write minus column 600. Clear? I hope this much is clear. So many points are still left. In next class, we will continue with this.
Ma'am.
If anybody having any problem up to here, then you may ask better.
No, ma'am.
No? Okay.
No, ma'am.
That's very good. Nobody will leave the class before giving attendance.